In this video we are looking at the Unknown Origin Effects Motorhead Mask Special Edition. What makes this special is the added weathering and details of rust and oil grime from the top of the mask coming down, giving it more of a storyline, as well as the added plastic tubing and LED wire lights. And just to personalize it one step further, right at the top middle, you can either monogram or have some kind of special pinstriping added. So highly detailed and epoxied eyes, as well as teeth and gums to give that wet, realistic look. A closer view of the rusting details, as well as the added hosing. And the eye holes can be left in partially so you can still see out with the look of an eye, or cut out completely, or left completely intact. Here's our current online shops, and please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and check out my friends at Cobwebs and Candlesticks who do a full unboxing review of this piece.